Hello everyone, it's Mervin here, bringing you the latest on health and wellness. Today, we're delving into a fascinating area of research that's creating quite a buzz. Could coconut oil, a common household item, be a game changer in the prevention and treatment of dementia? Stay tuned as we explore this intriguing possibility. But first, if you're enjoying our content, don't forget to hit that like button, share our videos, and subscribe to our channel. The buzz around coconut oil as a potential intervention in dementia prevention and treatment revolves around its rich content of medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These MCTs are converted into ketones in the liver. Now, ketones, not to be confused with ketamine, play a crucial role in preventing neuron degeneration. Under normal circumstances, our brain uses glucose for energy. However, in Alzheimer's disease, neurons develop insulin resistance, which inhibits glucose metabolism, leading to their gradual functional loss. But here's the intriguing part. Ketones can provide an alternative energy source for these neurons, preventing their demise. Coconut oil, by increasing ketone levels in the body, could potentially provide the brain with a new fuel source, without the need for drastic dietary changes. This isn't just a wild supposition. There's a growing body of evidence suggesting a strong link between dementia and diabetes, a condition characterized by insulin resistance or reduced insulin production, which is crucial for glucose conversion into energy. This parallel gives credence to the idea that an alternate energy source, like ketones, could indeed be beneficial. So, what does the current research say about this? The truth is, the research landscape is still in its infancy. But there's a compelling anecdote of a patient with early-onset Alzheimer's showing cognitive improvements after incorporating coconut oil into their diet. This account has undoubtedly sparked tremendous interest in this potential treatment path. Moreover, a Spanish study involving 44 Alzheimer's patients reported significant improvements in certain cognitive domains, such as orientation and language skills, in those given 40 milliliters of coconut oil daily over 21 days compared to a placebo group. This holds a lot of promise. What's more, coconut oil contains components that prevent the buildup of beta amyloid in the brain, a key marker of brain deterioration commonly seen in Alzheimer's disease. However, it's important to remember that while these findings are promising, more rigorous, large-scale studies are needed to conclusively establish the role of coconut oil in dementia prevention and treatment. As always, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or treatment regimen. That's all for today. Stay healthy, stay curious, and until next time, this is Mervin, signing off.